دبي تعطيك امان.
وظل القياده الرشيده اللي فيها، اللي هي حببت الناس والعالم كله في هالبلد. فانا بالفعل فخور بنفسي وفخور بهالدوله الطيبه.
لبناني. انا شخصيا ابن مصر.
قيام على البلد ليل مع نهار، تركيزه، ما كنا وصلنا للي وصلنا.
أنا والله عمري 5 سنين وأنا تحت البوش، وهذا يعني اللي ما له ماضي الله يرحم أبوي زايد ما له حاضر.
فاليوم الكل عايش سواء موافد أو مواطن، نحمد الله سبحانه وتعالى أن نحن في أمان وفي استقرار وفي أحلى، يعني وين ما تروح تلقى أنك أنت بين أخوانك وبين أهلك وبين ربعك وبين عشيرتك وبين الجميع.
إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. تاريخ لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد.
أهلا وسهلا بكم أعزائي المشاهدين في حلقة جديدة من برنامجكم برنامج لآلئ الاتحاد، البرنامج الذي يحكي قصص نجاح رجال الأعمال والمستثمرين والشخصيات الهامة داخل دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. الليلة قصة نجاح جديدة، قصة إلهام جديدة، قصة من القصص المميزة والرائعة والتي انطلقت بالتحديد في عام 2010. ننقل لكم هذه القصة هنا من قلب الشارقة وبالتحديد هنا من شركة تيرا تكنولوجي في الحلقة القادمة من برنامجكم برنامج لآلئ الاتحاد.
تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب.
Welcome everyone in our program Bellas of Union with the most successful story in UAE. Today from Sharjah City with also a new successful story with Mr. Bogdan, the Director Manager of the Terra Technology. Hello, Mr. Bogdan.
Hello, good morning.
From the first, Mr. Bogdan, you can introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Bogdan Fatu. I am from Romania. I'm born in Romania, and then I went to study in Germany. After my studies, I worked with a company called Kamad in Germany for 5 years. After that, I came to UAE and started Terra Technology.
What's the first step for you here in UAE?
UAE was the best choice. I wanted to come anyways in the Middle East region, and it was the best choice because of logistics. UAE is very good connected with going to Asia, to African countries, and obviously to Middle East. And to bring the products here, Jebel Ali is the biggest port in the region, so it's very good to have the base in the UAE.
Before how many years start Terra Technology?
Terra Technology, we started in 2010, in January, 11 years now.
Okay. You can introduce Terra Technology?
Yeah, in Terra Technology we have 4 core businesses, we can say, which developed over time. At the beginning, the first one was assembling and selling of pumps, of high pressure pumps, of Kamad pumps, which we represent from Germany, where I also worked before. And in time, then it came another type of pumps, smaller spec pumps, which we represent as well, also German company. And we are assembling the complete pump sets and selling it here for oil and gas, marine sector. And besides this is the 2 sectors. Then we have a rental division with some pumps which we are renting out to our customers. And we are doing some system integration, we call it, by assembling of different type of pumps, like centrifugal pumps or other type of equipments. For our customers, we are assembling them and selling to them.
Give me more details about the Terra Technology. What do you do exactly?
Yes, in our company, Terra Technology, we have 4 business activities. The first business activity which we started with is assembling of pump units for Kamad pumps, the companies which we represent from Germany. The other one is assembling of spec pumps, is another German company where we are assembling the complete pump sets here, and we are selling them for oil and gas and marine sector. And another business is the rental of equipment and system integration. System integration means we are assembling different type of pumps for customers depending on their needs. Centrifugal pumps, gear pumps, other in general into pumps, but not only the high pressure pumps, which is our core business, different type of products we are assembling for the customers.
Wow. Every business need a good leader or good manager like you, Mr. Bogdan, and good team. How to choose your team or how to choose your staff?
Obviously, this was a difficult challenge, and we started it with a small group at the beginning. Actually, in 2010, it was just me with a technician and the secretary, just 3 persons, and slowly we increased. We looked to get qualified engineers and people in the market here, but obviously we have to bring from outside of UAE as well. And the people which are coming and working with us, normally they are staying. We have a very, very stable workforce which is not fluctuating, which is quite good, which means I think the employees are happy to work with us.
Today I am like a customer. Why choose Terra Technology and don't choose another company?
I think our main benefit, you can say, is the after-sales service which we have, where we are together with the customer also after we sell the products. What is difference from our competitors in the market is that most of them, they are selling the equipments and they are not they are not with the customer also for after sales, for supporting them for the repairs and the maintenance. We have a very strong base of technicians and engineers who can do that. Besides this, we have also a good testing facility where after we assemble the equipment, we can test and we can measure all the technical parameters of the equipment, where the customer can come and witness this in our facility. So this would be the most important points, I think, for our customer.
Okay. What happened in Corona time for the Terra Technology?
Obviously, like the worldwide pandemic, you know, it was everybody was affected.
Yeah.
When it started, we didn't know in which way it will go, how long it will take. We were affected as well, but I cannot say that we were strongly affected because we had already some projects ongoing from the years before, from 2019, on which we were working. So obviously we had work from home and everything, same like everybody else, but we returned relatively fast to the workshop and continue our project. So we could, I think, manage quite well the Corona time.
Thank you, Mr. Bogdan. I am so happy to meet you.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you as well.
Dear viewers, we are complete this interview with Miss Gabriella, Administration Manager in Terra Technology. Hi, Miss Gabriella.
Hi, good morning.
From the first, Miss Gabriella, you can introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Gabriella Fatu. I've been living in the UAE for 21 years. And yeah, I've been with Terra Technology for the past 7 years.
Yeah. What's the future plan for the Terra Technology?
Well, now we've been in the market for 11 years and our presence is very strong in the UAE and neighboring countries. So what we want now, we want to increase our presence into, let's say, Saudi Arabia. It's a very big country and there is a lot of opportunities. So we want to find the right partner to have there for future development in the market.
Ms. Gabriella, I think you have very good experience in the business world. Now from your side, send motivation message for the young people we want into the business world.
So for young generations, we are actually happy to encourage them to join the workforce. We as Terra Technology, we also nurtured some students from local universities in the UAE and American University of Sharjah. And we are happy we actually got one of the students on board as a junior engineer. And yeah, what I can say is that the young generation is very important to all the vital sectors in the UAE. And they bring a lot of innovations and fresh ideas. So, you know, they are encouraged to join also this line of business and yeah, engineering.
Now, Ms. Gabriella, also send a thankful message for all leaders and Sheikh here in UAE.
So I consider UAE as my second home, as I've been living here for 21 years. So what I've seen in the last 21 years, it's a lot of support from the UAE leaders in all the sectors, and I've seen so many developments, and I see so much approach to improve all the sectors and people's life here in the UAE. So we thank you very much. شكرا الإمارات العربية المتحدة.
Thank you, Ms. Gabriella. I'm so happy to meet you today.
Thank you very much.
أعزائي المشاهدين، يتجدد بكم اللقاء الأسبوع القادم، ضيف جديد أو رجل أعمال جديد أو مستثمر جديد من داخل دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. انتظرونا، دمتم في أمان الله.
دبي تعطيك امان.
وظل القياده الرشيده اللي فيها، اللي هي حببت الناس والعالم كله في هالبلد. فانا بالفعل فخور بنفسي وبفخور بهالدوله الطيبه.
لبناني. أنا شخصيا ابن مصر.
خيام على البلد ليل مع نهار، تركيزه ما كنا وصلنا للي وصلنا.
أنا والله عمري 5 سنين وأنا تحت البوش، وهذا يعني اللي ما له ماضي الله يرحم أبوي زايد ما له حاضر.
فاليوم الكل عايش سواء موافد أو مواطن، نحمد الله سبحانه وتعالى أن نحن في أمان وفي استقرار وفي أحلى، يعني وين ما تروح تلقى أنك أنت بين أخوانك وبين أهلك وبين ربعك وبين عشيرتك وبين الجميع.
إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد.